guys, welcome to the next video. In this video, we are demonstrating another ML project. This is also a real-time based project, and the title of this project is Car Price Predictions. Like we have an old car and we want to predict the exact price of that car. So these projects are based on that problem. Before starting this video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel. And we have uploaded lots of videos in different programming languages. And also with the real-time based projects, you can check our channels and you can check the different kind of videos. If you are interested in any of the videos, you can check the descriptions of that video and connect with us. And the complete detail of today's project you can check from our websites uptaker.com. You just need to navigate to this website, and after that you can search from here. You just need to enter the project name, or you can just search from the categories wise. Like the category of this project is data science. So here you can select the data science project and it will show the first project. Just select it and it will navigate, and now you are navigated to the main project page. Here you can see all the details, what are the requirements, why this project is new, not a basic college project, and the real world use case of this project, key features, what are the what are the advanced features that you can enhance in the future, and the tech stacks that are needed to run this project, and the data science and data set, and all the things are mentioned in this page. You can check completely. This is a completely this is completely cover your all the Viva questions and also your project related details. You can check these are the ER diagrams, DFD1 and data diagram 0, DFT level 0, architects, and the screenshot of this project. And and if you scroll down, so you can see that the get project buttons, and also you can see the some student questions like, is this project is a good for the final years, and which ML algorithm is best. And also we have covered 3 Viva questions that mostly ask if you showcase this project. And at the end, if you just want to go and check our stores, like we are currently we are working on these stores where all the projects are available, so you can visit our store also. This is currently, this is in running state. We are just building it, not this is completely in a building phase, not just in completely this is not complete right now. This is in building phase, so you can check all the detail of this project from here. Now let's come to the project. Here here all these files of this project are available, and this is an environment file where all the libraries are we have imported or we have installed. And this is the app page. This is the train models, and this is the home page. This is a data set that we have used in this project, and this is the data set, and this is the model. After 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 training a models, then we export that model into the model.joblibs, and this is a report while training a model. If we found how to train a model and what are the things are required, so these are the categories that are using. And this is the PyCharm SRC folders, how to run this project, that are also available in this doc. In this doc you can check this doc also. And also this is the readme files, and this is the requirement.txt files. Now let's see the project. Okay, and one more thing, what are the interesting thing in this project, or what's the new in this project? You can check from here also, but also I'm telling you, like you can see from here also, or you can see from this screenshot. Like if you have the data, or if you increase the data in the future, so you can train the model at the same time. Like train the model, and you need to upload the file. This is the sample files, how the sample files look like. Column descriptions, like what are the tables, what are the columns inside your table should be, and what are the descriptions of that table should be. And this is the sample data. Your data set should be like this. So you can also train the model in future if you want to train the model in the uh, like in 2035 or 2030, whatever. If you have data, so you can train that also. And you need to upload the file here, and after that you can start training model. According to that, it will train the model and it will also add a new model on your project. This is the home page, and this is the estimate price. It will automatically detect the price whenever you change the any parameter from here. And this is the model performance, R2 score, MAE, RMSE model. The model that we are using is random forest train on the 800 samples. And this is another sample table. You can check this also, or you can make any table that are similar to this, and then you can train the model again. Now we are selecting any brand. We can select any brand, like currently we are using these brand. You can add more brand also. So I'm just selecting this one. And the year, I'm just selecting year is 2024. And Heltos, and manual and automatic. So I'm just selecting manual. And petrol. Okay, I'm selecting petrol. Owner first, second, and third. Second owner, it automatically changes here. You can see that it automatically changes the real estate values of that car. Or if now if you change the kilometers driven, like if I'm selecting this one, so you can see that the price are automatically changes. So this is the beauty of this project, that it automatically changes the price. We don't need to press the button again and again. That's why this is the best project for your colleagues. You can showcase this project, and definitely this will definitely you will get a good score in your college. And also you can showcase your and also you can showcase this project on your interviews, or if you're applying for the job, then this is a good project. Why this is a good project, you can check again from our website. If you have any doubts related to this project, you can connect with us, and we will solve your queries. So thank you for watching this video. And also, if you like ML projects, or if you're interested in the ML project, please subscribe to our channel, because we are just we are uploading the project that are related to the MLs only.